It's cab day, so it's all ready. We're just going to get the fuel tank out. I'm going to try and give Ken a hand before he takes the whole thing by himself. Oh yeah, it does have a fair bit of fuel still. All right, taking off the cab. Got 2 bolts that we need to take off from underneath, the back 2, and then the front 2, we've got to unscrew it from the top. So you're just going to use the, well, I'm going to use this, I'm guessing. It looks like the impact, but it's, is it an impact?
Put this on.
That might help. No, this is a bigger impact.
Yeah, I don't know if it's in forward or reverse. I squeeze the trigger and see.
Okay. It's on reverse. There we go. That's a big one. Yep. Quite easily, actually. You're kidding, you had heaps.
I mean, I'm out of the bigger size bags.
Oh.
I think I got some in my truck.
And we're going to have to keep these rubbers as well. They look so worn.
No. No, we're not keeping them.
Okay, just the inside thing and this.
We're going to get new with rubbers. I mean, we'll keep them now just to make sure we get the right ones to replace it.
Yes.
But we're going to replace all the rubbers on this truck.
Okay. Thirteen sixteens. Okay. Haven't used this one before. Which number was that?
This one's 7/8.
7/8.
Spinning, evidently.
The top is spinning.
Okay.
So
That tells me.
we were so good with that spray when we were doing the bed, and then we kind of just forgot about it.
Yeah.
So these are the ones that would really need it.
So, it's bound to help. You just need to get something to put on that to hold that. And that was a 13/16.
Yep, that's the one that fitted.
We need something 13/16 to hold that.
Yep.
How we can hold that top side. Because you ain't gonna be able to hold it if I pull on this.
Okay, you're very strong, Kent. 1 second. I'm on an angle as well.
I got a ton of leverage here. That's why.
All right, give me 1 minute. Okay, try now.
No,
You're literally moving me. Okay, go again.
I need something that can hold it.
My mind with both my hands, and I'm not a weak girl, but
Yeah.
you were moving me.
This breaker bar gives you a lot of leverage. Really. I need something to fit.
Oh my!
Oh no.
That's way too big.
It'll stop it. Can you hold this?
Which big? This big?
Yeah, it should crank up tight to that thing here in just a second.
Okay.
I'll do my breaker bar. Sit down somewhere looking for something. There it is. What a day breaker. Just jumped off. I can't.
I feel like something's about to break.
Something might.
Didn't break, did it?
No, it didn't break. Dang it. Take these 3 lines loose right here.
Are they brake light and brake
No,
cables?
that's fuel lines.
Oh, fuel arms.
Yeah, we got 3 of them. That need to come off, that need to come off, and that need to come off, and then these metal lines can just stay inside of that.
So it's attached to
rubber
the frame and then attached to the bed, to the
It's
cab.
attached to the frame, and then it runs through the cab to the fuel tank where
Okay.
it used to be.
And
So
how
we're
do they
gonna-
come off?
We're going to separate them right there at the rubber hoses.
Mm-hmm.
That one's just a screwdriver. Another 2 are pliers. Oh. I seen this piece right here has been replaced the other day. Somebody's put that on there.
Well, that's the side that it got hit,
Yeah,
so I'm not
probably,
surprised.
That's probably why. Because they've put bolts in it, and they're not bolted in, they're riveted in
Mm-hmm.
from the factory with rivets like that
Yep.
right there. So they've basically ground them rivets off, put a new one on, and bolted it back in place. So, which ain't a big deal. We just want a nicer looking boat than that if we're gonna. There are 4 different size boats and 4 different type of boats. And
Yep.
you don't want that.
No, I want to be a bit more uniform. And that hose will just pull off now?
Well, it's supposed to, but depends on how long they've been on there as to how easy it's going to come off.
Oh,
That one did. All right.
that I moved.
Yep.
This is the real messy stuff, isn't it?
Yeah, I hate gasoline and oil.
I don't mind the smell of it.
I don't mind the smell of it, but boy, it'll eat the finish off the floor.
Really?
Oh yeah,
All right. Let me try
it already has. You know, once it hits it, it's starts.
we wipe it off?
Yeah, we'll wipe it off, but it still doesn't eat the finish. the floor's got a sealer on it, and that gasoline eats the sealer. Alright, so now the cap should come off.
Okay. Oh, that's hot. Which one is that from?
That's out over there.
Oh, the one you cut off?
Yeah. Get the cap off?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna. Let's take that off. That out. Put that back in.
So take the bottom shorty off?
Yeah. Just put the other one back in.
Okay. So it's all off. You want us to push it back a little bit?
Them things, leave it here. The office, go back. Right in there.
We're trying to use the arms of the lift to help us lift the cab off since it is quite heavy. So Kent's just positioning this in the right spaces.
See that piece of metal that runs through there?
Oh yeah.
Trying to get it on here.
Okay.
So we can lift on that. I think it's close. Does it look to you like it's gonna hit them?
That should catch that one.
This
Yeah.
one's gotta come way in. About right there. And this one.
My side's going well.
Okay.
Yep, it's on it. Maybe a little bit more.
I'm starting to hit the, well, I guess it don't matter. We're replacing them anyway.
Oh yeah, of
I'm
course.
right up against mine over here.
Yeah, the rocker panels?
Yeah, but we're replacing them anyhow.
We are, that's fine. Mine's hitting it as well.
You good everywhere so far?
Yep.
What was that? Oh, like my phone. Maybe it was your, something over here was beeping. Was that your camera?
No, my camera's not making any sound.
Oh, you got your camera in your hand.
You never know what this camera is doing. So as we can see, it's already lifted off a little bit.
I can do it over there.
Good.
Check all this up here out right quick. Make sure it's good. So far,
It's already lifted off the frame on the back end.
I got a hose right here still connected.
There's a hose that's still connected.
There it is. I got it. So that's good. That's good. That's good. Yep. Oh, that's the wire that goes back.
And the back one is not even latched on, but it's all right, I guess. The other three is doing its job. Your side, the back one?
What you doing?
It's not even on top of the lift arm.
On top of the lift, what you mean touching?
Yeah, it's not.
Yeah, yours ain't neither.
Isn't it?
Mm-mm.
Is it? Oh no, it's not.
It's because it's picking up on the arm of it instead.
Oh, on this part
Yeah.
here. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh well, I mean it's getting it off.
Right. Yeah, it's not going to hurt them any anyhow.
No.
We're replacing them.
You got a new one sitting in that box right
I
there?
don't see anything holding us up, do you?
No, doesn't look like there's any wires underneath. So we've just got the steering arm here, and then no, doesn't look like anything else is connected.
I don't see nothing else.
I feel like this is a bit sad.
Yep. It's off there.
We're never going to see it like this again, you know that?
We won't be able to put it back on that way.
No. I think this is a big moment.
Our options are,
Okay.
well,
You said you've got a table outside.
I mean, even if we could get the cab on the other table, we still got to get this out of the way to get it in here. So I'm thinking, take this out the door and put it on the table, roll this up there,
Okay.
set the cab on this.
Only problem is, where are we going to put the car? The actual truck frame. We have no room at the front.
That we're gonna bring the cab back here where this is sitting right now, and we're gonna leave the truck frame right where it's at.
Okay, so we're going to carry the cab over.
No, we're gonna push the truck frame up,
We can't. There's not much room.
or we'll roll it back here, get it off to the side, then push this table up underneath the cab, roll the cab back here, and then push the truck frame back in.
Yep.
And I think we could probably get the truck frame.
I mean, we could move this light and
Yeah,
push
we
it.
could get the truck frame up
We
here.
just got the parts piling up here now.
We could turn the steering wheel, move this table and stuff, and push the truck frame right in here.
Okay.
And then we could roll that table up here, sit the cab on it, and push the
And
truck
just
frame right
roll
up.
it off.
I think that'd be our best bet.
All
I
right.
just don't know if we can handle this bed, me and you.
No, we'll have to use the cart. Can you turn it out towards yourself a bit?
Towards you?
Towards
me?
yourself, yeah.
Okay.
Or that's bad for his coming.
Yep. It's got that drag up in that hole. Stop it for the most part. Did you make it back there?
Yeah, I've got plenty of room here. Now turn it back towards yourself. Yeah. Okay, this table.
Should be enough.
That should be plenty. Okay. Here we go.
Just lift it, see if we think we can handle it.
Not too bad.
Here's where it's going. gonna walk it right around here. I'll be on the low side and you'll be on the upper side. About right there. Since there's more up here than there is back here, you'll have to kind of pick up on this side. Right, because it's heavier over there. Get it off that if you need to sit down and rest. Let me study on this a little bit. We'll
Okay.
do it with the tractor if we have to.
Yeah.
Or I also got that excavator down there and go get it.
Oh, that'll be so cool.
But yeah. It ain't hurting nothing right here. over
No,
the
it's
back.
fine. Jeez. Whatever happens to it happens to it. Hasn't even been sandblasted yet.
Yeah, it ain't hurting nothing right there. It's that.
But yeah, let's definitely get some big machinery involved with that.
Take your little spray.
You want some of that D40? Where is that D40? We had it here before, right? That's the one that had the least grease come through as well.
I'm starting to load now. Good.
The messiest machine we've used to date. The greaser, is that what you call it?
Yeah. Air grease gun.
Air grease gun. That stuff is nasty.
Okay. She'll roll.
Okay.
Let's see. Take this back off.
Where do you usually keep these? Just outside?
Just push it over in front of that cabinet.
Just inside the shop?
I had it out there greasing my tractor front out there.
Okay.
Close thing. I just don't know if it's gonna clear the arms we got there.
I think you might.
You wanna stop, just let go of it. Okay, hold up. Right there. It's works close. I think it's gonna hit them two front arms.
Oh,
Just
yeah.
barely.
Okay.
I think of what we could do, I guess we could put a 2x4 across on the front and on the
Because
back.
that's pushed down. Well, this one can actually be pushed this way a little bit. That can go in a little bit. It's got a bit of room.
Yeah, but it won't go now. It's got pressure on it. You have to take all the weight off of it in order to move. We might go push it up, push it in a little bit. Just that front corner. Maybe. It's pretty heavy. But I can push it up. You can pull that in.
Okay. So when you push it up in this in?
Yeah, but we don't want it all the way in. We just want it enough to clear that. Right there.
No.
Right there. And it's still on there. This one already clears, I believe, so we should be good. Back, left and watch. Okay. Same across this. Yep, keep going. Getting them back out of the way. That's a pretty good little table
Yeah,
for that cab.
it fit perfectly.
Come on, see if we can go back.
So this is going to get sandblasted with the steering wheel on?
All that's coming off.
Okay.
So I'll say this table's perfect. Now you can sit here and start disassembling all the little small parts,
Okay.
bagging them. Windshield wiper motor, brake booster, AC unit, rub box, which we done took off. All that stuff, you don't want to blast that. All this stuff, everything inside comes off. See, you want nothing but this metal left.
Okay.
So that'll come out, that, all that, the wiring harness, the electrical panel there, all this.
So what's going to happen with all these cables? Should we like
What cables?
these ones here? Like should we
These wires?
the wires? Sorry, should
You'll
we
get a new
tag
wire
them?
harness, them will go away.
Okay.
Them will come off and go in the trash.
For the time being, should we like stick tape them together,
Yeah.
neaten it up
I mean,
a little
you
bit?
pull them all apart, pull them out of there, and just we'll keep everything for now.
Okay. Okay, because so they unhook from the other side.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then that's just a rubber grommet that they're stuck through.
Okay, and we can take the brake system off as
Yeah,
well.
That, this.
Just get the whole
steering
cab ready
wheel. We'll have nothing but a cab there. Same thing
for
with that bed.
sandblasting.
And then basically same thing with this. Everything comes off of it. Rear end, front end, motor, transmission. All the brackets. It'll be nothing but metal here when we blast it.
Now, getting this engine off the frame, and see if we can take it to your friend to see, you know, to fix it up and clear it and have it ready for another car.
Yeah, we'll go talk to them.
Yeah.
See what you're wanting done. See when you can do it. That's all they do is engines for old model cars. You know, 67 Vets, 69 Camaros. They do a lot of big blocks and 350s.
Okay.
People from all over the country get them to do their engines.
Yeah, because I mean, I think it's a fine engine. I mean, whether I sell it or we keep it, I mean, it'll be nice to get it all done and ready, and then keep it when it's done and ready, as
Yeah,
opposed to keeping it like this.
They take it all apart, blast everything, clean it, repaint it, new pistons, rods, all that kind of stuff. They do all that.
Okay.
That